Welcome to Kanama Cooks. We are making tomato salna today. This recipe is an easy side dish for idli and dosai and can be put together in under 20 minutes. Here is how to do it. We will be making this recipe in a pressure cooker today. Add in some Indian style sesame oil to the pressure cooker. I am using 3-liter pressure cooker today for this recipe. Add some fennel seeds to the oil. Let the fennel seeds crackle in the hot oil. Add in the finely chopped onions. Add in the salt along with the onions. Saute the onions till it is soft. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing on a medium flame. At this stage, add in the red chilli powder and the turmeric powder. Adjust the red chilli powder according to your taste. Saute the spice powders for a few seconds. Add roughly chopped tomatoes to a mixie or a blender. Ripe tomatoes are preferred for this recipe. Add half a cup of water to the blender. Grind this to a slightly coarse paste. Do not grind to a fine paste. Small bits of tomatoes here and there is preferred. Add the ground tomatoes to the pressure cooker and mix well to combine. In the same mixie, add half a cup of fresh shredded coconut. Add about a cup of water to the blender. Grind this mixture to a really fine paste. Add the coconut paste to the cooker. Mix everything well to combine. Add in the sugar. The little sugar brings out the tartness from the tomatoes and makes it more flavorful. Cover the cooker with a lid and cook for about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. It should take about roughly 5 to 6 minutes. Switch off the heat after the said whistles and wait for the pressure from the cooker to release naturally. Open the pan and check for seasoning. Finally, add some coriander leaves and mix well to combine. Our easy and tasty tomato salna is now ready. Serve hot with idli, dosai or uttappams. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.